Okay, today we're changing coolant on 2002 Lexus RX 300. This is an all-wheel drive model with 1MZ FE engine. We're going to be changing the coolant the easy way, and that means that I'm going to be simply draining what's in the radiator and filling it back in, then driving it a little bit, and then doing again the same procedure, and that will effectively change most of the coolant, which is good enough for a few years. So this would be our fill plug. We can open it. The coolant is nice and clean, but it's already been, I believe, 5 years since it's been changed. So I'm changing to a new super long life coolant from Toyota. The simple change would be just to unscrew that plug. That's a plug that comes from a radiator, but that's like half of the coolant, I believe. So if you do it 2 times, you're effectively changing about 3/4. So that's good enough for a simple drain and fill. So I bought this huge bag of coolant from Toyota. This is already pre-mixed, super long life coolant. It's compatible with long life coolant. I believe the older one is called long life coolant. This is called super long life coolant. They're both compatible, so there's no issue with mixing them. They told me this is a new packaging. So the old one is, I believe, white or transparent. The bottles are white or transparent. And this is actually premixed to 55 to 45 because I live in the area where it gets to -40. So I need a bit, actually even -50 with the wind chill. So I need, that's Celsius for you, and I need that extra protection. So this is for my area. For your area, most likely you'll have 50-50 pre-diluted coolant from Toyota, but it's a super long life coolant. That's what I need. I believe I will use about 2 gallons, so 2 jugs like these, to fill that radiator. If not, I'll use a bit more. I got 4 of them to do this 2 times. So I'll see how much I drain this time, and I will know next time if I need 2 or a little bit more. All right, let's do this. This is my trusted tub to put coolant in or oil in or whatever. So I need it right here. Right here. It will probably drain somewhere here. So here we go. I opened this so it drains easier. Let's unscrew this guy. Okay. Oh, I'm not catching it all. Okay, this came out completely, which is fine by me. The coolant actually looks great, so I'm not sure why I'm changing it. This is now empty. Alright, this has slowed down to a little dribble, so I'll plug back the radiator. It fits right in there, like this. Might fall, but should be good enough. Alright, I put the plug back in. Also try to put your car so the front wheels are higher than the back wheels. I have a bit of a slope here on my driveway, so that should be okay. I probably don't even need to do anything special. I'll just fill it, start the car up, and put the heat on full blast and see if I have any bubbles forming. If not, it's good to go. If it's bubbling, then just add more coolant. 1 gallon in. Opening another bottle. Don't forget to recycle your old coolant. Okay, the car has been running for a little bit now. I'll add more coolant. Thank you very much for watching. Please do like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.